Every engine needs fresh fuel. A fuel filter catches dirt before it can cause engine problems. A dirty fuel filter can cause your tractor to lose power. We'll show you how to change it. To do this job, you'll need pliers, a drain pan, and shop towels. You'll also need a new fuel filter, safety glasses, and gloves designed to resist chemicals. Check your operator's manual to make sure you have the right fuel filter for your engine and for important safety information. Perhaps the biggest challenge with this job is dealing with the highly flammable gasoline that leaks out while changing the fuel filter. Never change a fuel filter indoors. Make sure you have a good drain pan and plenty of shop towels. Check with your local recycling officials about the proper way to dispose of the spilled fuel, fuel-soaked towels, and the old fuel filter. Let's get started. Park the mower safely on a hard, flat surface with the engine shut off, parking brake set, and key removed. Then wait until the engine has cooled down. The first step is to raise the operator's seat and inspect the fuel filter and the hoses that connect to it. If the hoses look worn or cracked, they should also be replaced. Note the arrow on the filter. It shows the direction that the fuel flows, from the gas tank and toward the engine's carburetor. Look closely at the new filter. When installed, the arrow on the new filter will need to point in the same direction. Place a drain pan under the fuel filter area to catch fuel spills when the hoses are disconnected. Make sure there are no sparks or anyone smoking in the area. Use the pliers to loosen the hose clamps and move them away from the filter. Twist and pull hoses from the old fuel filter and raise fuel lines vertically to avoid fuel drainage. Quickly reattach the hoses to the new filter, making sure the filter arrow points in the direction of the fuel flow. Reposition the hose clamps so they secure the hoses to the filter. Clean up any spilled fuel and properly dispose of the old filter, fuel, and fuel-soaked towels before starting the engine. Run the engine briefly and then check for leaks. See how easy it is to install a new fuel filter? Make sure your mower's engine gets a steady supply of clean fuel. Install a new fuel filter at least every year. Your operator's manual will have the recommended maintenance schedule for your mower, or for quick reference, there is a machine maintenance decal usually located under the seat. Proper maintenance is the best way to make sure your mower starts quickly, runs efficiently, and mows a beautiful lawn. To purchase parts, visit your local John Deere dealer or go to www.jdparts.deere.com.